Hi, I'm Greg Minzenmayer, CEO of Glidewell. As most of you probably know, we're a large dental lab located in Newport Beach, Irvine, California. What some of you may not be aware of is that over the past decade, we have grown to be a major manufacturer of dental materials, technology, and implants. The number one reason we have invested so heavily into these other areas is so our laboratory can provide better services and support to our restorative dentist customers. Today, I wanted to talk to you specifically about how our investment in implants has improved our partnership with you in the treatment of your patients. Partner. That word truly defines who we are. The philosophy started in the first year of Glidewell's founding in 1970 when Jim Glidewell's first lab was located inside a dental office. From that very first lab, he has never changed his philosophy, and he has sewn the concept of a partnership into the fabric of our corporate culture. Whether you're just getting started with implant placement, have made implantology a major part of the services you offer your patients, or you choose only to restore implants, Glidewell is here to support you to whatever level you choose to climb. As the world's largest dental implant laboratory and an implant manufacturing company, Glidewell is a unique partner poised to provide you with the comprehensive resources you need to thrive in providing implant treatment to your patients. Before we start the tour, let me highlight two very important aspects of our partnership that have benefited so many dentists who have made Glidewell their preferred implant laboratory. The first is flat rate lab fees with no hidden costs. We know that just like every other small business in America, dentists need predictable overhead costs. With Glidewell Labs, you always know what you're going to pay before you send a case. Second is our no-fault lifetime warranties. Additionally, those placing Glidewell's own HAN implants receive lifetime warranties that cover the entire stack-up, the implant, the custom abutment, and the crown. In addition to that, HAN users receive a 20% discount off of their Glidewell implant lab fees on those cases. So let's get started on the tour, and I'll show you how all this works. I'll also cover many other services that are available to help Glidewell customers succeed on their implant journey. When we first established our implant manufacturing facilities, we did it to produce prosthetic components for the implant restorations we make here in our own laboratory. This is what allowed us to offer predictable, flat-rate lab fees across most major implant systems. It also allowed us to standardize restorative procedures for our dentists across multiple implant platforms. The inclusive line of prosthetics and components covers most major implant systems on the market today. Of course, these restorations are all covered by our comprehensive warranties and liberal return policies. After the introduction of inclusive line of components, we developed implant systems of our own, culminating in our partnership with implant pioneer Dr. Jack Hahn to create the Hahn tapered implant system. Today, we manufacture the Hahn tapered implant system as well as the prosthetic components used in producing over 2 million implant restorations today, right here in Irvine, California. This philosophy of vertical integration is a key operating principle of Glidewell, and in the world of implants, it helps us provide surgical restorative solutions for dentists to help reduce the cost of providing care. We also manufacture Bruxer zirconia used in our implant crowns, bridges, full arch restorations. So when you place HAN and restore with a Bruxer crown, your entire restoration is made here in Irvine, California, and the entire stack is backed by our no-fault lifetime warranty. Welcome to the Implant Milling Center. We are now in the largest milling operation for implant restorations in the United States. There are over 40 mills in the center, and it's running 2 full-time shifts per day. Here is where we produce patient-specific, customized devices using materials ranging from grade 5 titanium alloy to monolithic zirconia. Here at our digital treatment planning department, the team helps dentists plan implant surgery with the maximum precision offered by cone beam CT technology and digital treatment planning software. Most of our planning technicians have a background as dental technicians. Their laboratory experience comes in handy as we strive to provide dentists with a prosthetically driven treatment plan that simplifies restoration delivery. This is where the surgical guides are printed based on digital treatment plan approved by the doctor. Our technicians add titanium sleeves to the guide, which controls the location, depth, and angulation of the implant to maximize the safety and predictability of the surgical procedure. To date, the Glidewell Implant Laboratory has fabricated over 2 million implant restorations. We've made big investments in developing digital technology, and we hold several patents that have helped make CAD/CAM dentistry the norm in implants. Our custom abutments, implant crowns, screw retain restorations are designed by CAD technicians. The final CAD design is sent to the milling center. Our proprietary CAD/CAM technology, along with prosthetic components we manufacture, allow us to provide you with the highest quality implant restorations at a predictable flat rate fee. Here at the Full Arch Implant Department, we design and fabricate the Bruxer implant prosthesis, which has helped thousands of dentists avoid the headaches that come with broken acrylic hybrid dentures. The Bruxer implant prosthesis is another revolutionary product that has changed the way dentists treat edentulosum. This type of restoration is produced through a restorative protocol developed by our clinical R&D team based on feedback from the dentist and rigorous clinical validation in our implant operatories. The step-by-step procedure for Bruxer implant prosthesis simplifies what is traditionally known as a complex procedure. Once the setup is approved by the dentist and double-checked with the provisional implant prosthesis worn by the patient, we mill the restoration from solid zirconia. The Bruxer implant prosthesis is a truly monolithic restoration with no porcelain or veneering material to chip, stain, or fracture. Our technicians use advanced staining techniques to finish the prosthesis, resulting in a very lifelike restoration. In our R&D operatories, we create new or improve upon existing restorative procedures and clinically validate surgical and restorative solutions. We have conducted long-term studies here that show a 99% survival rate of the Hahn tapered implant system. By providing our implant restorations for employee patients in the operatory, we monitor their clinical performance, develop the streamlined clinical protocols used in our products. With more than 3,500 employees here on our Irvine campus, we have great compliance and excellent recall for highly accurate study results. This is also where we produce our clinical how-to videos, online continuing education content, and step-by-step technique guides that help dentists deliver great results for their patients. We have treated over 2,600 patients in our clinical operatories, helping to ensure that our dental implants and restorations address the needs and challenges you face in your practice today. Here at our Technical Advisor Office, you'll find our highly experienced team of technical advisors, providing live, over-the-phone support to help dentists deliver a predictable outcome for their patients. This dedicated team of customer support specialists is extremely knowledgeable in every aspect of implant restorations, from single unit cases to full arch restorations. Our customer support team develops close relationships with dentists and their staff and take pride in helping our customers with every aspect of their case, no matter how complex. Clinical education is essential to our mission to support implant dentistry in the general practice. This is one of several clinical education centers we have across the country. Our flagship education center features a fully equipped operatory and surgical suite used in live surgical and prosthetic demonstrations. We offer an array of affordably priced courses from world-class presenters. Our goal of these courses is to help you expand the implant services you offer your patients. We've also partnered with the renowned Mish Resnick Implant Institute, which has set the standard for implant education and taught over 6,000 dentists how to place implants. The Hahn tapered implant is the official implant of the Institute and is used in all of their hands-on exercises. In addition to our live, in-person courses, Glidewell offers an array of professionally produced how-to videos, comprehensive library of free online CE and complimentary webinars through our online study club. Thanks for taking the time to discover the people, technologies, and facilities behind Glidewell Implant Solutions. Our goal is to help dentists simplify, streamline, and reduce the cost of implant treatment through our full range of dental implants, cutting-edge restorations, and live and online CE. Wherever your implant journey takes you, Glidewell is committed to supporting you along the way. For more information on our comprehensive implant solutions and education resources for general dentists, visit glidewell.com/implant solutions or give us a call at 800-839-9755.